Day 6 Kids. Reading comprehension. Read the story twice and answer the questions. Sweety saw a little cat. The little cat was short and grey in color. First, he ate fish and rice. Then, he wanted to play with her. Lost, the little cat ran away from there. Sweety saw a little cat. The little cat was short and grey in color. First, he ate fish and rice. Then, he wanted to play with her. Lost, the little cat ran away from there. Sweety saw a little cat. The little cat was short and grey in color. First, he ate fish and rice. Then, he wanted to play with her. Lost, the little cat ran away from there. Now, it's your turn. Try to read. Now it's time to think and answer. I will ask you 5 questions based on the little story. You need to find the answer within 5 seconds. Question number 1. What did Sweety see? Option A, a little cat. Option B, a little dog. Option C, a little rat. Answer. Option A, a little cat. Question number 2. Describe the little cat. Option A, small and white in color. Option B, big and red in color. Option C, short and grey in color. Answer. Option C, short and grey in color. Question number 3. What did the little cat eat? Option A, chips. Option B, fish and rice. Option C, milk. Answer. Option B, fish and rice. Question number 4. What did the cat want? Option A, to play with her. Option B, to speak with her. Option C, to run with her. Answer. Option A, to play with her. Question number 5. What happened at the end? Option A, jump from there. Option B, play from there. Option C, ran away. Answer. Option C, ran away. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.